अध्यक्ष जी, मैं कुछ तथ्य और भी आपके सामने रखना चाहूंगा। जो लोग those who are putting this argument, we will have only two languages. What is happening in that state? I will give three examples. In Tamil Nadu, if you go by last 6 years statistics, let me put some few bare facts. In 1819, the total Tamil medium students in government school of Tamil Nadu, an aided school of Tamil Nadu, was 65.87 lakhs, and English medium students were 55.18 lakhs. That means 54% Tamil language, 45% English language. Two languages, okay, accepted. In 23-24, what is the scenario? 46.82 lakhs Tamil language. From 65 to now it is 46. English language, there's nothing to say. English language, it is 55 to 82. That means 63.4% English, 36.3% is Tamil. I am proud of Tamil language. Tamil language is ancient language of the civilization the way as it's put forth by my Prime Minister. अगर तमिल भाषा में if Tamil language will not be strengthened, what is there in NEP? What is your understanding of NEP? What is your opposition to NEP? NEP is advocating up to class 5 in Tamil Nadu. The medium of instruction should be Tamil. This is in NEP. Therefore, in the 4th century, sir, I was the witness of the historic function when this new building was been found, the foundation stone was given of this building. You are there, part of that program. Prime Minister quoted, India is the mother of democracy. भारत प्रजातंत्र की जननी है. अच्छा, जिसको भारत के गौरव के बारे में गर्व ही नहीं, उसको मैं क्षमा मांगूंगा और क्या कर पाऊंगा? इस विद्वान को मैं क्षमा ही मांगूंगा. इस देश उनको मिलकर क्षमा मांगे. हे प्रभु, हे महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ, उनको सद्बुद्धि दो. ये प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कोट किया. कहां का था वो कोट? वो तमिलनाडु का कोट था. हम वी आर promoting Sangol is understanding of Tamil language. It's Tamil civilization. We are committed to do that. Today, what is the scenario? Gradually, the colonial, I am not against of English. Those students has to go to international market, they must learn and understand English. We have to compete globally. But for research, for critical understanding, mother tongue is the primary. That is the primary precondition of national education policy. Up to 5th, mother tongue oriented education is must. In Tamil Nadu it is Tamil, in Andhra it is Telugu, in Odisha it is Odia, in Madhya Pradesh it is Hindi. And up to 8, it is preferably. Then after 8, it is up to the choice of the student. Sir, there are how many, what is the original, I felt, simply sir, I fail to understand. I am not yet authenticated, I am not so sure about the fact, but it's a tentative right fact. In Tamil Nadu, those who are advocating only two language formula, in their own government school, the Tamil language is declining. The colonial language is increasing. This is an alarming thing. No more Buruhdeshwar. No more. Nobody is throwing upon you. Don't create fear psychosis. Don't be fear psychosis. Don't create fear psychosis. Don't create fear psychosis. Sir, okay. Okay, sir. Please. They have their reservation. Okay. But what is the fact? Sir, what is the fact? In Tamil Nadu, there are 1,500 minority schools run by government aided and private. In those 900 schools, around 1,500 schools, in 900 schools, Telugu is a language, 3 language formula. Urdu is in 350 schools, 3 language formula. And in rest schools, other Kannada, Malayalam, all languages are there.
Please. Please, let me.
Don't.
Tiruchoji,
Don't know about Uttar Pradesh.
You not go on record. Please.
Sir, in Tamil Nadu, there is a much appreciation. Sir, I met a girl. Sir, I met a girl at Kharagpur Research Park. She is a young girl from Transport Nagar of Tamil Nadu. That lorry part, Namakkal. I met a young promising girl, young scientist from Namakkal. Is a daughter of a small shopkeeper. She is doing research in biotechnology department in Kharagpur IIT. What she is researching? She is researching about vegan meat. She wants to be an entrepreneur. She was good at Hindi. Out of my curiosity, I asked her, "Beta, you are a girl from Tamil Nadu. How do you so good at Hindi?" Sir, she told me, by design, by conscious approach, I took Hindi because I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to create a business model for pan-India level. This is the new Tamil Nadu. This is the aspiration. There are 100, if I said, there are 1460 central CBSE affiliated schools in Tamil Nadu. 1460 CBSE affiliated schools. Out of that, Tamil is taught in 11 schools. English is taught in all 40-60 schools. Hindi is taught in 774 schools, given permission by Tamil Nadu government. This is the fact. This is the you may be live in your own cell. You may be live your own cell, but this is the reality in Tamil Nadu today. This is the new aspiration. You can't stop any aspirational thing for the youngsters of the country. I don't have any intention to offend any individual. As I said, all the colleagues are my respected colleagues. But the fact, what does it mean by NEP? NEP is meant for mother tongue based education. मातृभाषा आधारित शिक्षा पहला शर्त है राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति की. स्किल के बारे में चर्चा किया गया है. लोगों ने सुझाव दिया 9वीं 10वीं 11वीं 12वीं में स्किल करना चाहिए. राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति नए टेक्स्ट बुक में क्लास 6 से स्टैंडर्ड 6 से स्किल ओरिएंटेशन बढ़ाने के लिए काम कर रहा है. इनोवेशन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, रूटेडनेस, दीज आर द फीचर ऑफ new education policy. I appeal to my colleague from Tamil Nadu. Let they abuse me personally. वो मेरे को कितना भी गाली गुलाज करे. आज तमिलनाडु की आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने उपाध्यक्ष महोदय टुडे ओनली सर, आज तमिलनाडु के मुख्यमंत्री महोदय ने कहा है कि शिक्षा मंत्री एनईपी की अर्थ पीएमसी की स्कूल की अर्थ संस्कृत और हिंदी में पढ़ाने की शर्त रख रहे हैं.
Please, I have already given you opportunity. Let him speak. Please.
सर, डिप्टी चेयरमैन साहब, हमारी कोई शर्त किसी विषय पे नहीं है. भारत को विकसित करना है, भारत को नई ऊंचाई तक ले जाना है. तमिलनाडु हमारी देश की गौरव है, हमारी दायित्व है. तमिलनाडु के नेतृत्व में हम देश को आगे ले जाना. आपको मेरे को व्यक्तिगत रूप में यू कैंट कॉल मी फूल, but you cannot make fool all the Tamil Nadu people for all the time. Be over that. You can abuse me, you can scold me, you can name me in any derogatory word. I am ready to accept. But for heaven's sake, for God's sake, don't devour the opportunity for the youngsters of Tamil Nadu. Don't be so Semitic. Don't be so small. Please come out of the old ideas. Please come out of old ideas. We all have to come together and build a new country. Thank you, Chairman, sir.